Hello and welcome back to my channel, Bajan Princesses, Bajan Beauties. Today's one of those days, y'all. I look rough. I did not get no sleep last night. I am tired. Just want to lay down on time, but I could get my eyebrows done and my toes done. Hold on. Let's go back to the beginning. Okay, y'all, I had to prep y'all, but welcome to my come get ready with me for my Atlanta trip, or prepare with me for my Atlanta trip. I'm still kind of working on the title, but anyway, welcome back to my channel, beauties and princesses and bosses. Look, I got a different name for y'all every day because every day y'all either bosses this day and beauties that day, princesses that day, y'all everything. Okay, so it's like 10:40 something, 10:50 something, I don't know. Like I said, I ain't sleep. Well, I did, but I went to sleep like 4 or 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, not even 4. And I just woke up like a few minutes ago. The girl is tired. My hair looking crazy. I got on glasses. It's too bright in here. Got on the hat because my hair looking crazy. My outfit look crazy. My nails look crazy. Today is the first day that I will be getting ready for my Atlanta trip. I'm going to get my eyebrows done and my toes done. I already have a nail set that I want to do. I would show y'all, but then it wouldn't be a surprise. So I'm going to make y'all wait until I get my nails done. If you're wondering about the band-aids, this one, I think I broke my nail under it. Excuse me. Trying to drink from my juice container. That's what I get for trying to drink from a juice container. And then this one I broke when I went shopping. It cracked on the side, or I don't know, maybe it's just tender on the side or something, but it hurt. And I don't got time for the pain because I will cry. I'm not taking them off because I just want a filling and a cut down. I feel like it'd be dumb to try to take them off and get a whole full set. I'll probably get a full set next time I go, which will probably be for Thanksgiving at the end of the month. So yeah, but y'all, I was supposed to do Vlogtober, never did it. I had a lot of stuff happen to me during the month of October, so y'all gonna get that one video and call it a day. I'm grateful. I'm just talking to y'all because I haven't in a minute. It probably won't go up until after I come back from my Atlanta trip. I go to Atlanta the 4th through the 8th. I ain't gonna tell y'all why I'm going to Atlanta. Y'all just gonna see why I'm going to Atlanta when I post my Atlanta vlog. Y'all thought. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'll see y'all back when I'm on my way to the nail salon, or I'm at the nail salon, one of the 6, but see y'all there.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth.
So I got my eyebrows done, as you can see, and I got my toes done. We just came from Michael's because I wanted to get some rhinestones for my nails. I don't know if I should do a haul now or I should do it in the car. I don't know. Well, I just said the same thing. If I should do it now, shall we talk at home? But I think I'm gonna do a nail. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, so this is what I got. These are the rhinestones that I got for my nails. Hold on. These are the rhinestones that I got for my nails. Y'all gonna see when I get my nails done. It's gonna be so cute with it, okay? I got them for my nails, and then I got some glitter. This is for when I do like makeup and stuff, and I want to do like glitter looks. I got orange, green. This rose gold color is so pretty. rose gold. I'm trying to get everything. What color is this? It says marine, so a marine blue color. It's nice too. It's pretty, like blend color. So I got this. I don't know what color this is. It says rose. This what it look like. Y'all, this is a bad angle. I think I'm gonna really show y'all when I get in the house, because y'all can't really see like how pretty the glitters look. But yeah, that's just some of the things that I got when I went into Michael's. So now I'm about to go back in the house and take these braids out, because that's not the moves. And then I'm gonna eat, do my skincare stuff since I got my eyebrows done. You know you want to do all of that. And then I need to do my lashes, but I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow on Monday to do my lashes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. Okay, so it is Wednesday, November 3rd. It's 9:56. So let's talk, y'all. Let me turn the car, because I don't got nowhere to be. I'm not rushing. Okay, so I told y'all that I had a hair appointment yesterday, which was the 2nd, right? I had it at 2:20. The girl who said, well, the girl who I booked with, she canceled my appointment, and well, she didn't cancel, but she rescheduled my appointment because she had family issues. Okay, cool. But I was mad because I had switched my nail appointment from yesterday to today, so that way I wasn't getting my hair and nails done on the same day. So I was like, okay, maybe I could switch my nails back. But the girl who does my nails, she's booked. I mean, like, she's beyond booked up. So I couldn't even get my appointment back that I had, because somebody snatched it up so quick. So I was like, she was like, yeah, when are you available? I said, if not later on yesterday, then this morning, like early morning. She was like 11 a.m. and I was like, well, is it going to be done before 4? And she was like, yeah, because that's when my nail appointment is. So hopefully she is done at least like 2, because I'm only getting a frontal not a frontal install, I'm getting a wig install, and I feel like they really don't take long. The only thing is, I feel like that's gonna take long is because she's washing my hair and she's bleaching my knots the same day of my appointment, which I've never heard of before, or I never had done before. But then again, I don't get wigs done often, so I'm not too sure how the wig process goes. I know a lot of people be like bringing your wigs 2 days prior, so that way they can bleach it, customize it and stuff. But I guess she wants to do it all in the same day, so that way she can see my facial shape and shape and my hairline to shape it to me, which I'm not mad about. I hope it turns out cute. But yeah, don't come for my nails. I'm getting them done today. I'm cutting them down because these things is long. I mean, I'm pretty sure people have had longer, but because I move so much and I do so much stuff, I need to cut it down. I think I'm about to go to the bank to take some money out, and then I'm gonna go home. But honestly, me running to the bank and then doing that, it should kind of like run into each other. So, because like I said, my appointment's at 11. It was only 5 minutes away from my house. Pretty sure it's a little bit longer here. Actually, I think I know where it is, but I really don't think I know where it is. That's the thing. So let me get going. I just wanted to hop on here, update you guys, because I never came back after I said I was gonna come back. I never came back. I didn't even show you guys me getting my eyebrows done. Excuse me, because I got my eyebrows done. So yeah, whew. Y'all, I keep burping and stuff because I had some Chick-fil-A, and you know how they Sprite is really like straight Sprite, like straight from like the factory, just like got a tube from the factory to Chick-fil-A. So yeah, this one don't taste as good though. I hope he ain't trying to give me no ticket. Oh, y'all thought he was coming to give me a ticket. I said, let me get them. But yeah, let me get going, y'all. I'll talk to y'all when I'm on my way to my hair appointment, and y'all, I'm gonna really come back. Because I always say I come back and then don't ever come back. But I'm gonna really come back.
Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the sun.
Okay, yo, so I'm back from getting my hair done. I didn't get much footage of me actually getting my hair done. One, because just like privacy and integrity and stuff like that. So yeah, that's one reason why I didn't record this time. But next time I will ask if it's okay. I don't like to I don't like to record without people's consent or acknowledge, because you never know. There are like people in the beauty industry who just don't like, you know, outsiders to record them and stuff like that. So I completely understand. That's why I did not do it. But this is what my hair looks like. What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. Yeah, I like it. Honestly, this is a 36-inch wig. I didn't think it was gonna be 36 inches, y'all, because this one look like, y'all, I think it looked natural. Like, it looked like it's growing out of my scalp. It's just a little light. But other than that, I'm not mad at it. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I love it. She was quick. It took roughly about 2.5 hours, and the only reason it took that long was because she had to wash my hair. I feel like if she didn't have to wash my hair, it probably would have took about an hour and 20 or an hour to a half an hour. An hour to a half an hour. An hour and 20 minutes or a half an hour. I mean, an hour and a half. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, I like it. She wasn't rough. Like when she was braiding my hair, she wasn't rough. When she was installing the wig, she wasn't rough. When she was washing my hair, she wasn't rough. Like, she was very gentle. Let me turn the air on for this shit start. Well, I don't think it's gonna lift because it's on there pretty good. Okay, y'all. What was I talking about? Yeah, it took 2.5 hours. Everything was like amazing. She wasn't late or anything like that. She worked with me. Like, I didn't know what I wanted. She was like, do you want a part? I was like, man, I do not know. I was like, what do you think? Like, you know, she played around with it. She did the middle part, she did the side part, and then she was like, you know what, I like the side part with no part. It just looks good, it looks natural. So I was like, you know what, do you? She asked me if I wanted baby hairs and stuff like that. Everything was just amazing. Like, the service was amazing. She was sweet. She talked to me. She just worked with me through everything, like asking me what I wanted, how I wanted, and stuff like that. And she bleached the knots the day of. Like, you know, as I was saying in a previous clip, I was like, you know, I didn't know, like, a lot of stylists, they tell you to bring your wigs in 2 days prior, but she bleached it the same day, and it still only took 2.5 hours. And I was just shocked about that. Like, she was never sitting around. She was never just waiting. She was doing her job. Like, she's passionate about doing hair. And another lady who was also getting their hair done by her was just telling me, like, she's really passionate about what she does. She's a beast when it comes to it. Let me tell you, y'all, she did it. She killed this. I wish I would have took a picture of the wig how I came before. I don't know if I did. I should have, but the before and after, she's a beast. Let me tell y'all that. I'm gonna tag her Instagram, and I'm gonna put some of her pictures and stuff like that off of her page over here. If y'all in the Baltimore area, please go check her out. She is amazing. She is sweet, and she's very, very affordable. Let me tell y'all, $105. That's all I paid was $105. I paid $105. I paid a $30 deposit, so technically that was $35. $135. That's still very, very inexpensive. And then I think I gave her an extra $20, so altogether $155. That's inexpensive, because there's people who be charging like $180 and up. Y'all go get at her because she is amazing. She's affordable, she's quick, she's efficient. Her communication was good. Like I was telling y'all earlier about how we had to reschedule, and let me tell you, she did rescheduling. I'm glad I rescheduled, because if I would have been like, no, it's okay, I'll find somebody else, I probably would have lost out on a good opportunity. So get at her. Like I said, this is her Instagram, this is her page. Y'all see this? Come on now, stop playing. Y'all see this? Y'all see it. Even if I put it back, y'all see it. Don't play with her. Y'all, this is my new hairstylist. Like I told y'all, I had like a nail tech and a hairstylist. I think I got the dream team, because I'm about to go get my nails done at 4, so I'm about to go home. I'm gonna chill a little bit, eat some food, because the girl is famished. So let me stop talking and let me get on the move. Okay guys, so I am back and now we about to pack. Oh my god, what's this in my hair? Okay, so I'm back and we about to pack. So I don't think I've ever gave you guys a room tour, but I want to redecorate, so I ain't even gonna give y'all a room tour. Y'all just gonna see what y'all gonna see, but I'm finna show y'all what I got so far. Hey. Ooh, so this is what my bed is looking like right now. So these are my shoes. I'm gonna go through them, see what match. So I got my Converse, I got some Nikes, I think I'm gonna bring my Air Forces, I got some UGG slippers, and then down here I got some more Converse and I got some more Nikes. Y'all, these are just like so cute to me. Like, I don't know why. I'm not a low top shoe type of person, but these are just like super duper cute to me. And they're like eco-friendly, which I really like. But over here we got my hair care, face care, well, skin care, lotions, sprays, deodorant, oils. The only thing that I'm missing is my toothbrush, and I think that's it. And then right here we got all my clothes. So far I have 8 outfits, and y'all, I'm only staying for 4 days. I'm extra, so I pack extra. My bras, underwear, sports bras, night clothes. And then right here is just the outfit that I put together that I thought would be like super duper cute, y'all. So it's just like this scrunched up white crop top, I guess, and then it's that flannel in the back. I'm gonna leave it open, and then I have these jeans, and I'll kind of like play around with them and stuff like that to see how I like. And then this is gonna be my 9th outfit, and then my 10th outfit is gonna be the outfit that I wear coming back. Half of these outfits I'm probably not gonna wear. I'm probably gonna wear one of these on, or one of those outfits on the plane. So honestly, I think this might be my last outfit if I don't find anything else after that. And then over there I just got my slippers, and then I need to get my bonnet and stuff like that, and like miscellaneous stuff like bags and stuff, and then your girl will be ready to go. And so I packed half of my suitcase, and on this side I literally just put all my clothes. So now I have to put the rest of these in there, my shoes, makeup, toothbrush, those except for my iPad. I'm gonna take that on a plane because I want to do some stuff, and that's it. I'm not really bringing jewelry or anything because I don't need it. So